Hey there, and welcome to HeartWise MD channel. I am Dr. Helia, a passionate cardiologist with years of experience in helping people care for their hearts. I truly believe that heart healthy habits become so much easier when you actually understand your heart. That's why I created this channel, to help you make sense of your heart and blood vessels in a simple, clear way, without the overwhelming medical concepts. On this channel, I will break down complex heart topics into easy to digest videos so you can feel more confident in your health decisions, whether you are looking to prevent disease, manage symptoms, or just live a longer, healthier life. Here is what you can expect. Straightforward tips to protect your heart, clear explanations of common heart conditions, science-backed lifestyle advice, and real answers to your questions with compassion and clarity. Because when you understand your heart, you are more empowered to take care of it. So if you are ready to take control of your heart health, hit that subscribe button and let's get started, one heartbeat at a time.